In today's tutorial, we are going to look at this equation. All right. So we have log 9 to base with x plus 1 equals to log with x to base 3. Right, so let's observe the question very carefully. So we have the base here to be with x and the base here to be 3. So the bases are not equal. So what are we going to do? We have to make sure the bases are equal. All right. So we know 9 is the same as this 1 to the power 2. So 3 squared is the same as 9. All right. So let's make the base here 3 so that to be equal. So let's apply change of base here. All right. So let's get started. All right, so I'll start by saying log 9 to base 3, okay, over. So we are applying change of base. Log x to base 3. All right, so the bases are now equal. So plus 1 equals to, so we have log x to base 3. All right. So let's look at the numerator here. So 9 is the same as 3 to the power 2. Okay. So in case we have, let's say, log a to base a is 1. So let's express the numerator in the form of this. We know 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. So have log to base 3 and 3 to the power 2. Alright, so over log root x to base 3 plus 1 log x to base 3. So this one is now power rule. So in case log a is going to be to base t. So this one is power rule. So this p will come here. So the same as p log a to base t. Alright, so let's look at this one. So the 2 will come here, which will be, so the numerator can be written as, so 2, then we have 3. So logarithm of the same, of a number to the same base is 1. So let's look at this one. It's 1. So this one to give us 1. So the numerator here will be 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 2 over log x to base 3 as 1 equals to log x to base 3. All right. So let's see what we can do here. So we have log root x to base 3 in common. So let's represent it by a variable. So let y be log root x to base 3. So substitute y into log root x to base 3. So we have 2 over y plus 1 equals to y. So we can now multiply through by the LCM, that is y. So this side by y, this side by y, this side by y. So I will get 2 plus, so times y, so times y squared. So let's arrange this. So we have y squared minus y minus 2 equals to 0. So this one becomes a quadratic equation. Alright, so let's solve this one. So we have y, so we have this one. Okay, so let's look at minus 2. So we have y. So let's find two numbers when we multiply them to give us minus 2, but when we add them to give us minus 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, but this side is minus 2. So let me negate this 2 and see. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So I think that one will work. So we have minus 2, then we have positive 1, so plus 1. So let's equate this one to 0, which will give us y is equal to 2, and y plus 1 is equal to 0, to be y is equal to minus 1. Alright, so let's go back. Now we said y to be this, so let's equate this to the answers. So let's start from the first one. When y is equal to 2, so the first answer for y is 2. So with the definition of logarithm, so the base, we raise this, so we have root x equals to 3 to the power 2. So we have root x equals to 9. Alright, so we can square both sides. So this one will cancel. So x, so 9 squared is 81. So the first answer for x is 81. So let's look at the next one. So the next one is minus 1. So log x to base 3 minus 1. So this one will raise this. So I'll be x 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, so let's square both sides. So I have this. So this one will cancel this. So x will be, so this one is the same as 3 to the power minus 2. So x is 1 over 2. So x is 1 over 9. Alright, so we have 2 and 6. We have x to be 1 over 9 and x to be 81. Alright, so thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Alright.